Kuma thirikari yambiririe mutaratara wa githomo gitari marihi, namba ya arutwo mathukuru-ini ikoretwo ikiongerereka o mwaka, no mbeca cia mahuthiro mao nacio ikoretwo igikundera na kurituhiria arutani murigo wa gutwarithia na mbere mihang'o ya o muthenya mathukuru-ini. Kigomano kiria gikuhaririirio ni ciama ngurani irirũgamagĩrĩra arutani bũrũri-inĩ ari hamwe na KNUT, KUPPET na UASU ni kimurikite mamwe ma mathina maria makoretwo magicokera mwaka thutha wa mwaka na kuhinga ukinyaniria wa mathomo ari hamwe na gucerithirio kwa mbeca cia mahuthiro ma arutwo.
Over the years, the education sector has continued to receive less financial allocations from their government than their estimated expenditure.
Kigomano giki ni kiaririirie makinya maria thirikari ibatie gukinyukia ari hamwe na guthurima weru mitaratara ya ugai wa kigina kia mahuthiro ma arutwo niguo gikagayagwo kuringana na mabataro ma arutwo na oho gigakinyagira arutwo ihinda-ini riria riagiriire.
Teachers have been put into the state of confusion to the extent that they don't know what to do. Schools are forced to go and ask parents to pay for the assessment. And this is what brings the beats of commercialization of education in Kenya.
We want a policy to be put in place that before university students get into the university after admission, at least 1 month earlier, there should be money on their accounts. When it comes to secondary schools, before schools open, we want all the money deposited there with the principals on their accounts so they can run schools. Even at the primary school level.
Mendekithia maria maheanitwo ni ciama ici ni hamwe na gicunji kia 30 kia budget ya bururi kuhuthikaga hari mathomo, thirikari kuheana ithabu ikinyaniru ria arutwo othe bururi-ini, thirikari gutigirira kigina kia mahuthiro ma arutwo ni kirakinya mathukuru-ini mbere ya thukuru kuhingurwo, thirikari gukuruhania anyiti itemi ukinyaniria-ini wa mutaratara wa githomo wa CBC hamwe na mangi.
However, the new system of education faces enormous challenges. For example, we have shortage of teachers, inadequate teaching learning resources, insufficient infrastructural facilities, inadequate financing, lack of incentives among key stakeholders and many others.
Kigomano giki giukite riria aciari makoretwo magiteta kurumirira kuongerereka kwa garama ya mathomo kuhitukira indo ngurani iria arutwo marabatarania o muthenya rungu rwa mutaratara wa githomo wa CBC.
You know the experience we had in the past few years? It is because we said the country was not yet ready for CBC. Today, 9 years since CBC got implemented, all of us are still having issues with it.
Now we know that we can have that conversation in society and say, do not blame teachers for asking for teaching what? Materials.
Harini Hakameme TV, Jitagogena, Wawadurwa.
Thank you very much.